Hi, I'm Lewis Fox from Physical Performance Academy. Welcome to our instructional video on how to assess lower body power for athletes from home with minimal equipment. Today, we're going to be running through the broad jump test. Okay, so now we move on to setting up for the test. So we've already got our equipment in place. The measurement tape is on the ground. It's taped to one end, which is our jumping end, and it's taped to the other end, which is the end position, and that is for stability. We've got our pole that we're going to use for measuring the test. We've got our scoring sheets all printed out, ready to go, and there's a link in the document for that. And we've also got our tripod set up from the side view, which is where we're going to get 3 attempts from. We're then going to move the tripod round to the front view, where we're going to get another 3 attempts from as well. Once set up, we warm up. Firstly, through increasing heart rate and blood flow, through anything from skipping to star jumps to mountain climbers for around 3 minutes. Followed by mobility exercises that prepare us for jumping. We can start with squats, making sure our hips go below the knees and we're straight at the top, and we can repeat for 10 reps. We can then move on to lunges, making sure that our back knee is getting close to the floor and that our knee is in line with the foot, and we can perform 10 reps on each leg. We're then onto a bodyweight glute bridge. This movement activates the glutes and the hamstrings, important for jumping and landing, and we can perform 10 reps of this movement. We then need to practice jumping to fully prepare for the test. Squat down with the arms backwards, jump with the arms forwards, and stick the landing in a partial squat for 5 reps. Finished off by practicing the movement itself, ticking all of the key technical boxes that we're looking for, again for 5 reps. Okay, so now it's time to take the test. So we've got our equipment set up, we've got our athlete who is ready to jump and ready to go. So we instruct the athlete to come up to the jump line, making sure that the athlete's toes are directly behind the jump line and not in front. We then want to instruct the athlete to take a maximum effort jump, making sure that they land in a safe squat position with no wobbles at the knees and no movement of the feet. When you're ready, we then want to make sure that we're taking the test score by taking our pole, asking the athlete to stand, but keep his feet in the same position. We take our pole and we place our pole behind the foot, which is the closest to the jump line. We then take the measurement from behind that foot, step back, and ask the athlete to take 2 additional jumps, remembering to take 3 jumps from the side view so that we can assess movement from the side, and 3 jumps from the front view so that we can assess movement from the front. Here is a side view from how to score the test. We take our pole and we place it directly behind the foot that is closest to the jump line. It then gives us a clear view and we can take the score from behind the heel. When we're taking the test, we also have a camera set up from the side view and then at the front view as well, and this is to assess movement quality. It's important to assess jump quality in addition to overall jump distance so that we know where the improvements in jump distance are coming from. For example, if jump distance has improved, but movement quality has reduced, from an injury prevention point of view and from a transfer to training point of view, we want to work on making sure that movement quality is as good as it can possibly be. In our free guide to broad jump testing, we have scoring test sheets that you can download and print off ready for testing, starting with a blank score sheet, followed by an example completed score sheet, and then movement errors that we need to look for when we're assessing this test. We now have everything that we need to go and perform the test, measure and evaluate the test for distance and movement quality. So good luck and let us know how you get on.